Hey you, here are the codes for Dr. Rosenthal's purple book with the multiple choice questions and explanation and answers. And you will use that through the Wayground app. You will enter the codes that's going to be on the next page here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at GenevaTutoringPrep@gmail.com or leave a comment under this video. As mentioned in the previous slide, here are the multiple choice questions in the categories that you can test yourself in using the Wayground app and the corresponding codes for each subject. So if you want to use human growth and development and you want to do practice questions from Rosenthal, enter the code and you'll be able to log in using the Wayground app. So download the Wayground app. It's free. Once you download and make a profile, then you can go ahead and put the code in and start studying. So if you have any questions, I always say reach out to me. Happy studying. If you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. Support the channel. It's supporting other people, right? And happy studying.